Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan vodka sauce. Start by boiling your water for your pasta. Make sure you salt it generously. Heat your pan over medium and add in your oil. Add in your finely diced onion. Cook your onion until it starts to brown, add in your garlic, and cook for a few more minutes. Add in the tomato paste along with crushed red pepper flakes. Once your water is boiling, add in your pasta. Add in your vodka and use it to help deglaze your pan. Add in your cashew cream and mix well. Get your pasta water and set it aside. Transfer your pasta into the sauce. Add half of your pasta water and mix everything up. Add 3/4 of your vegan Parmesan cheese and mix everything together. And we're done. You can use some of the remaining Parmesan and sprinkle it on top of your plates. And that's it. A super simple, easy, quick vegan vodka sauce. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.